Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So this information is mainly for those of you that participated in the Dogs Airdrop campaign on Telegram to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward at the end. So guys, they have added some additional tags for you to get Dogs score. So what you need to do, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to take you to your Telegram, or you can visit the docs bot on Telegram and check for yourself. So what you just need to do is to visit the page. Then you are going to see the new tags the docs team added to the docs Telegram bot. So what you just need to do is to perform some activities. Then you are going to get docs. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. And for those of you that have not started, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to guide you through how to participate in this airdrop campaign, because what you just need is your time and dedication. So this airdrop campaign is free and it's mainly for Telegram users. So this is a project that is backed by Notcoin and some Telegram OGs. So make sure to join it to maximize your chance of getting your own share from the dogs allocation. So the more dog score you get, it's going to be converted to the utility token at the end. So guys, I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to get above 20,000 dog score. So now guys, for you to get more dog points, what you need to do is to check in daily. So if you check in daily, you'll be getting some dog score. And another way you can earn is by performing this tab. So be a good dog. What you need to do is to click on check-in. Then it's going to add now subscribe to Dogs S account. So if you click here, it's going to take you to Telegram. If you want to follow them and you don't want to follow them, minimize back. Then you click on claim. So done. Alright. So now subscribe to Dogs channel. So click here. I'm already there. I'm going to go back now and click on claim. Alright guys, so done. So yeah, invite 5 friends to dogs. Well, a lot of you don't have invitee, and I know a lot of you don't like to invite people as well. But if you want to get invitee and you are afraid of maybe sending your link to someone, what you need to do is to look for mobile phone, be it your family member's mobile phone or your friend mobile phone, and make sure to open a Telegram account for them. So once you open a Telegram account for them, what you need to do is to send your link to them. Then just make sure to use the link to open a dog bot. Then it is going to add for you, because this 20,000 dogs is very massive, guy, and it is good you get it so that at least can boost your dog's score and your dog's allocation. So make sure to invite 5 friends to dogs. If you don't have anybody or if you don't know anybody to invite, if you have two SIM cards, you can open Telegram account. If your friend has two SIM cards, make sure to beg your friend, or you can plead with him to open Telegram account. If you have friends that have Telegram account that are not interested in something like this, what you need to do is to talk to them so that at least they'll just use your referral link. So the main thing is to use the referral link, and it is also good you use multiple accounts. But if you are using multiple accounts, please make sure to use different device so that your IP will not cause any issue for you at the end. So this is how to farm it to get massive reward. At least if they are to give out maybe $5 reward or $10 reward, you'll be getting in two different accounts. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is a G update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.